Oil 2 tablespoons. Chopped onions ½ cup. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Salt ½ teaspoon. Red chili flakes ½ tablespoon. Chaat masala ½ teaspoon. Boiled potatoes 250 gram. Chopped capsicum ½ cup. Potato filling is ready. All-purpose flour 2 tablespoons. Water as required. Mix well and make a batter. Add chopped coriander leaves 2 tablespoons. Roll sheets as per your choice. Apply prepared batter. Oil or ghee for frying to cups. Fry till golden. Crispy and tasty potato roll is ready.